kita nak behind the scene untuk TikTok TikTok One Day Before Trial. Guys, are you guys ready? Nampak ke orang?
The canoe is so big.
Oh, do you want to just?
Recording?
Yeah. Yo.
Crazy.
Oh, quiet.
Let's say it.
1, 2, 3.
One day before trial.
Wow, done. Okay, guys. Trials.
We're cool.
You know.
Trash. This place trash.
Apa kata kita record time-lapse je?
Oh ya, time-lapse lah.
Ini bukan time-lapse je. Kau jangan habiskan punya macam mana?
Nak yapi.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Guys.
Korang tengah menyaksikan muka cantik I.
Cut.
Okay guys, esok adalah day 3 untuk trial SPM.
3? Today is day 2. Tomorrow. Okay. Today is day 2. Try it as chemistry paper 3. How was today's?
It was really easy, but I'm very scared about my hypothesis.
Format 50-50. InsyaAllah, kecuali hypothesis.
You wait. Hilang makan kat hypothesis gang.
Weh! Macam mana nak adapt? 3 girls, let's go. Hormone. Hormone.
Hormones juga.
Besar punya.
Happy fan, happy heart.
Betul cik. Happy fan, happy heart.
Bye guys.
Okay.
Besok.
Tomorrow is our
Bila
last.
kau datang video?
Tomorrow is our last trial for trial SPM for paper amali paper 3. All the best. Bye.
Okay.
3 days before trials. Study sejarah sekarang. Gambarimasu. Wait, I think it's 2 days. No, it's 3 days. Yeah, 3 days before trials. How much is it? Oh wait, yeah. 2 days before trials. Nak solat jap. But yeah, I'm studying upper BM sekarang. Okay, bye. Guys, 1 day before trials. Aku penat weh. Right now, macam biasalah study BM kan. Dah main kelas tu. Aku tengah buat nota, like a bit nota ringkas for tomorrow's. Because tomorrow I'm planning to like bangun awal and buat karangan, like buat karangan practice not baca macam macam karangan dipaparkan dekat atas skrin ni. Aku salin semua balik. Macam like trying to practice my hand, like just practice. And I think for tonight tinggal lagi nak hafal peristiwa negatif dengan kepincangan. I don't know, peristiwa negatif lah, macam teladan apa tau kalau dalam paper ni peristiwa yang peristiwa yang wajar dihindari, something like that, like peristiwa negatif. So I gotta hafal teladan baik. Well, actually I have a lot of them. Yeah, guys, I'll try my best, guys. I gotta do it for my future and for my parents. Really hope we're asleep too. But right now baru pukul apa? Baru pukul 10.24. Awal lagi kan. Aku dah penat nak mampu dah ni. Okay guys, bye. See you tomorrow. Bye Camelia. Good luck though. Baca doa. And jangan cakap banyak dengan kawan-kawan kau tu. Lagi-lagi Camelia. Jangan cakap banyak. Pergi study, jangan cakap banyak. Like actually ignore them. Okay, bye. 3 hours before trials. Yay. Wait, can you guys even see my face over here? Day 2 of trials paper BI. So okay, bye.
Sabar, tudung.
Dia put air gambar beda guys. Dah masuk. Oh, it's a video? Yeah. Oh.
Day 5/6 of trial SPM.
Thank you, bye. PM today. Thank you, bye. I'm so tired. I'm going home now. Balik dah. Cikgu suruh balik. 9 more days till SPM. 7 more days till SPM. 4 more days till SPM UBBM. 3 more days till UBBM. That's 2 hari lagi sebelum peperiksaan UBBM. 1 hari lagi sebelum peperiksaan UBBM. This is me before paper 1 bahasa Melayu.
Monkey des.
Kawangi le Akila.
Kawangi ada
Roti terbang.
Tak pakai, boleh pakai.
Tak boleh. Go. You're so fast.
Hidup.
Kan?
Gila. Aku tu juga dia ada seruput satu formula tu. Gila. Tinggal yang dekat sini pasti suruh kita proof.
Hai guys, hari ni adalah 15 hari bulan SPM ambil.
It's a wrap finally. Berapa bulannya? Agak lama ya. But it's a wrap.
SPM habis.
Let's freaking go.
Kian nak nangis. Dia dah nangis dah pun.
Pada
Bebe.
Wait, say bye bye.
Bye papa. Sorry papa. Last padang. Benda padang.
Maafkan kami papa.
Maafkan kami papa.
Bye papa.
Bye mama. Last time going back from school. Pasti tak ada dah.
Student tu.
SPM semua dah habis. Tak ada bangun pukul pagi-pagi nak datang sekolah sebelum 7.30.
Oh, tu kau je kot.
Sebelum 7.30 kau datang lepas ke?
Bye korang. Semoga saya dapat jadi tourist guide, Amir dapat jadi arkitek dan Kia dapat jadi lawyer dia. Bapak aku tu guys. Kita korang bersedia. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Jumpa esok.
Bye.